because they said, hey, I'm going to be successful when I graduate with a degree. Now they're not marketable. They're working at Starbucks. They're doing an hourly job where they have a master's degree and they can't make more than $16 an hour. So what I'm getting to is the perception of what people think is real is not actually what the industry is. So
Correct.
The industry isn't dark, dirty, dull, and dangerous. Yeah. Head to Gary, Indiana, where steel manufacturing is happening still. Yes, it is. But that's a small silo of what automation technology manufacturing is these days, where it's the same thing with skilled trades. Skilled trades for so long was, you go into that degree to, when you can't do anything else. And all of a sudden now, I know welders who are making more than engineers.
Yes.
I know more skilled tradespeople who are starting their own companies, hiring their next apprentice, who now I know a guy who's 32 years old,